Hi everyone, so I know I haven't posted in a while, but I've been away, so I just want to say happy bonfire night and have fun. So like and subscribe for more videos. This is just going to be like a happy bonfire night kind of video, but yeah, I'll be posting another one soon because it's nearly my birthday and I'll be doing a birthday haul, so make sure you go watch that. Bye.